should I put the next log?
Right on top.
I would try to shift this back, but it almost seems like a. Hey,
Oh, there you go. That was like a perfect shift.
Never works.
You couldn't have asked for a better shift,
No.
really.
Hope you were filming that. Oh,
I was filming that. I'm still filming, actually. Because fire good.
Oh, yeah, it's really hot also.
Really hot?
Yeah.
You don't say.
That wood is.
Wait, are you sure the fire is hot?
Fire is hot, I guarantee it. Right on your fingers.
You heard it here first. You heard it here first, folks. Fire, it equals hot.
You know, I gotta get the sap.
Greens want to know, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Hanging out with our old buddy Fernbark.
Howdy.
Out in his backyard. We're doing some, there he is. He's got a fire going. It's not the nicest day, but you know what? The company and the food kicks ass over fire or weather. So bring it, weather, as I just doomed ourselves. What I'm going to make is I'm going to make a chocolate chip Bannock in a pan, because I have not stopped thinking about that Bannock I made 2 weeks ago. Man, it was so good. So now I'm going to have to do a chocolate chip one, see how it comes out. And I'm making it first so I don't fill up on other things, like, you know, sandwiches and pork. So priorities.
What?
Dessert first. So I got a little olive oil in here. Actually, it's avocado oil, so I'll get that warmed up and I'll get the mix going. Oh yeah. Alright. Look at that. Give that Bannock a kind of a jump start on the bottom before I tilt it up towards the fire.
Real heat in there.
I walk the camera.
There's the money shot. closer look at the pan here.
Let's give this guy a tilt.
Let's have just a closer look at this vegetable tuna. The first ingredient in the can is actually tuna, so I think it's just tuna and some kind of sauce with veggies. And there's your nutritional data for those who give a crap. Interesting.
I think I got in the bottom a little too dark, but yeah,
we'll see how
she
it is.
really browned up in a hurry, so I'm gonna have to scoot it back from the fire, I think.
Just grab that pan with your hand. It's probably not real hot.
Yeah, probably not.
Wow.
She's kicking off some
Oh,
serious
no,
heat.
yeah, it's really hot in there. Remember our earlier tip, fire is hot?
Yeah.
Still holds true.
The Bannock might actually already be done. We'll give it a minute and then we'll pull it. Alright, it's been about a minute, maybe two. We'll go ahead and we'll pull the Bannock. It looks completely done. It may be a little charred on the bottom though, as you can see.
Cold, just to see what it tastes like.
So we'll let that cool down and we'll dig into it.
Tomato sauce. You know, it's going to be nice. It's not salty at all.
Alright, let's try that Bannock. Say it's been cooling down enough. This one's stuck. So it's a little dark, but only in that one spot, so looks a little doughy on the inside. Maybe not terrible. Chocolate chip Bannock. I think there are a few dough spots, but it's nothing too terrible.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's dessert right there.
And we're wisely having dessert first. 'Cause last time I was so damn full I couldn't eat any more. I think the fire was just a little too hot, so I had a little too close, so thus it cooked on the outside real fast. I still had a little bit more to go on the inside, but you know, it's good though.